Okay, to make a flipbook of your Google Drive user guide to turn it into an ebook, the first thing you'll have to do is turn this document into what we call a PDF, which is basically it's almost like a picture of your document, which preserves it and stops anyone from editing it. So if you go File and then Download as PDF, there's all sorts of things you can turn your document into. I mean, you might want to turn it into a Word document, but we're going to turn it into a PDF. So click on PDF, and that should appear in your Downloads bar. There you go. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, once you've done that, you are going to go to the website called FlipSnack. Okay, when you're here, you can move this across. You can sign in with Google. Okay, and you have to pay for this website, but there's also a free option which will allow us to make an ebook, which is what we're going to use. And you see you've got upload PDF and create from scratch. So we want to upload our PDF, and then if you take your user guide, you can drag it into this area. And then if you go to next, okay, so once you've uploaded it, you'll have all of these formatting options, so you can actually test it and see if it works. Yep, so it's flicking. For some people, you might find that if you're unlucky, it changes some of the appearance of some of your pages. It shouldn't, because it's a PDF, so it's supposed to be an exact photographic copy of your documents, but it's worth checking through anyway to make sure that there's no mistakes and it is how you want it to be. Okay, so you can change, like, yeah, I'll let you figure this out yourself. You can have a look at all these different options. Okay, when you have done this, you can press next, and then it's going to say, it's going to ask you some questions and ask you to give a description. So let's move this over here. Okay, so Google Drive user guide, let's just say an ebook teaching students how to use Google Drive. Okay, these are required categories. So let's just say it's for, this isn't really that important, education, and then let's cancel that and press publish now. Okay, once you are published, you will need the embed code, okay, which is here. Okay, and then I will show you how to do that in a later video. Put that onto your blog. Okay.